Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate your support. Got 3 cases in today. LK, Lightning Night. Shout out to LK for sending me these cases for review. Appreciate it very much for my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, recently I had an Oteo tempered glass screen protector on my S9 Plus, but I brought in an IQ Shield liquid screen protector, so took off the Oteo. I hate doing that, especially when something works, but I wanted to see how the IQ Shield liquid screen protector would do for my S9 Plus, and we're going to see how case friendly it is, because the Oteo tempered glass screen protector was about as case friendly as you can get. It worked with everything that I brought in, no issues whatsoever. So we're going to see how the IQ Shield does with the LK Lightning Night cases. Shout out to LK for sending me these cases for review. I love their products. They've been working with me for probably going on 2 years now, and I just appreciate their support. Going to be leaving the links down below in the description so you can check out all 3 of these cases. These 2 cases right here are basically the same thing. Carbon fiber hybrid armor cases. They will absorb a lot of shock if you were to drop your device. Now, they're going to protect as much as possible, but nothing is guaranteed. With me, personally, I just don't go without cases on my devices. I would hate to see what this would look like if I was to drop this on the ground. The thought of it. So we got 2 heavy duty cases here from Lightning Night, TPU, carbon fiber, polycarbonate, going to really absorb a lot of the shock that my device would take if I was to drop it, especially on a hard surface like cement, right? And that's what these 2 cases are for, especially if I go hiking, with my wife or my family. This is a case that I would use on my S9 Plus, so I could take that with me on a hike and take some pictures, shoot some video, and later probably post that for all of you to see. And then we got a slim fit TPU case here, rubber TPU flexible, and we're going to be looking at that, and completely clear, which would show off my Slick Wraps skin on the back. So we're going to get into these, but I did want to show you some price points here. So the LK Ultra Slim Thin Crystal Clear TPU rubber case is going to be $9.99. And then we have the carbon fiber hybrid armor case that will absorb shock if you were to drop. So it's going to take, these are going to just take a lot more as far as getting beat up. They're going to take a lot of punishment, and they're going to give you the best protection. This is minimal right here. Okay, if you're pretty good with holding on to your devices, a case like this, crystal clear, or even a colored, they have color choices as well, other color choices. And when you hit those links down below in the description, you're going to check out all the information and even all the color choices that you get. But if you're pretty good with holding on to your device, I would get something like this. But if you have problems holding on to your devices, and again, if you're working outdoors, you work in a really tough environment, places that can get pretty tough out there, or one of these heavy duty cases to protect a device like this. This is an investment. It's a lot of money. So I think you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. So let's get these cases on the S9 Plus. Attention, register your lifetime warranty within 14 days. Support at lk-case.com. Title your email, LK Lifetime Warranty. Disclaimer, your email will serve as the warranty application. Okay, So don't forget to do that. LK will take care of you. This case and this case, both these cases, the hybrid carbon fiber armor cases that will absorb a lot of shock, are a 2-piece case. So you got your rubber TPU inner part. Get that out of there. Okay, that's what that looks like. You got your carbon fiber right there. And S9 Plus. And you got nice material in here to protect that glass back of the S9 Plus. And you got your polycarbonate. Tough back there. So basically what we're going to do is should turn off my device. I'm going to turn it off. I'll put it on. So that's what that's going to look like. And everything snaps into place. Okay. Everything snaps into place. There we go. So yeah, it takes a little bit of work to get this on. You'll hear it all snap together. You want to make sure all this is fitted really nice together. It adds a little bit of bulk. You can see the camera cutout on the back looks really good there. Got your microphone up top, speaker, USB Type-C port, and your headphone jack, and your other microphone's right in there. You can see that right there. Okay. So, got the IQ Shield liquid screen protector on here. Let's see how well that is doing. We're looking for any lifting. We don't want any lifting. And just enough spacing. I mean, there's minimal spacing there, which is really, really nice. So that's not going to lift my screen protector up. So at this point in time, it looks like these cases will be working together with my liquid screen protector. So very nice. That's good to see. That's good to see. Boy, that looks really, really good. Look at that. That's a nice color, especially with that camouflage slick wrap skin back there. Okay, and let's try on the other case. I think I can just slide it in, but we're going to go ahead and power on my S9 Plus because we have to test out the wireless charging, and we got to make sure that there's enough space where the USB Type-C port is for charging, and yeah, we just want to make sure all those areas work. Boy, that went on really nice. I didn't even have to separate this case, but, well, wanted you to see the two pieces apart from each other. Oh, that looks nice too. Look at that. LK Lightning Night. That looks great. Feels great too. I love the design on the side. It makes it really nice and easy to hold on to that rubber TPU area there. It just adds a little bit extra grip there. Okay, so power button, apply a little pressure, and that works. Fingerprint reader works, and let's check the volume rocker. So this case is exactly like the blue case, so everything's going to work the same way. There shouldn't be any issues whatsoever. And pull my wireless charger over here. Make sure we get charged. Turn off the S9 Plus, and we should see this come on as I place it right there. And there we go. Very, very nice. Let's do that again. Yeah, I like it when something works. When anything works. I hate it when something fails. Everything working there. And now we're going to take my USB Type-C cable and let's turn off S9 Plus. And there we go. Okay. And there we go. That fits in there really nice. Look at all that space. And that's what you want. Let's take a picture. Make sure there's no shadowing. No, you don't want to see me. You don't want to see me. What's going on? All right. Well, let's take a picture now. Yeah, no shadowing. Everything working great there. So no issues with the heavy duty hybrid carbon fiber armor case from Lightning Knight. And let's go ahead and get the ultra slim clear TPU rubber case here. And I don't need to test out everything on this. You know, if it's going to work with those two cases, which let me put them back right here so you can take a look at those. And they're going to work. It's going to work with this case. Well, I will look at the screen protector though, because actually, there's a lip on these too. So when you set your device down, it will protect your device around the top and bottom. There is a slight edge on the S9 Plus, so that's exposed there. But I do notice that this case comes up a little bit higher, but I still don't see any lifting. That's the edge of the screen protector. And probably turn it off and see. Yeah, you can see that there's a little bit of gap there, which is nice. Just enough play there for no lifting. So the clear case is going to work. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I think I'm going to sport the blue one over here. I'll turn that around. Okay. Yeah, everything's looking good there, man. Again, LK, shout out to you for sending me these cases. Totally appreciate it. Price points under 10 smacks for all these cases. And they have a lot of other cases for a lot of other smartphones. They also have screen protectors as well. Just a lot of product and accessories from LK Lightning Knight. Again, they've been working with me for quite some time, and I just appreciate their support, man. Put this one back on. Look at that. I like that one. I like that one. So yeah, they're going to charge just fine. Wireless charging, USB Type-C cable, a lot of space going on there to use different types of cables. I can just see that, lots of space. There's some cases that come in a lot tighter, and you have also that nice cutout back there. It's a little bit slimmer, but the cutout on the slim fit case here, the clear one, is not as wide as this cutout, but the case itself is a lot slimmer, so there should not be any issues whatsoever. But leave some feedback down below. Again, under $10, you cannot go wrong. Lightning Knight has been really good to me as far as my devices. I've brought in a lot of different devices, and I have not had any issues with their products with my smartphones. If you have, let me know. Get a hold of LK, man. They'll take care of you. They will. They're great company, and yeah, look at that. Sexy looking, but more importantly than that, what do I always say? It's the protection. Protection. All right, everybody. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Peace. God bless. Again, hit those links down below in the description. Under 10 smacks. You can't go wrong. I am out. God bless.